Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're gonna talk about is how to make your first $100 online. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's get right into it and how you can make your first $100 online. So first of all, you have to be there. Don't hide. You see, I'm there right now in front of you talking to you, and you have to do the same thing. If you're hiding and nobody even knows about you, about your product, about anything else, that won't work. If you have an idea, and I see this all over the place, if you have an idea that you want to make, like you have a business and everything, you have a great idea, and I see so many people have this idea and say, how can I hide it so that nobody steals it from you? Here's the thing, nobody will do that. Nobody will steal any idea from you because 99% of the people have great ideas just like you, but nobody does anything about it. And even if it's a proven thing, I see so many people, same thing, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, Shopify dropshipping, no matter, you name it, they know it works, but they don't actually do anything about it. So, first of all, you have to not hide. If you have an idea, put it out there as much as possible. You have to get every single person that's interested in your niche to know about it. So, for example, I do affiliate marketing. The best way to do this is put myself in front of the camera and talk to you guys and help people out. This is what you're going to have to do if you want to make some money. You have to put yourself out there. You see, you have to see further from where you are right now, and you have what it takes. You really do have what it takes. No matter what, if you're watching this video, that means you have an internet connection and some sort of device to watch it on. That means that you can actually make a video and start making some sales. So I don't care what your excuses are. If you don't have time, you're still watching this video. Like, there is a way to make some money online, and you can absolutely do that. You have what it takes, no matter if you look funny, sound funny, don't have the right language, you can do it in your own language. It doesn't matter. There's so many things that you can do. There's this person that's very known. He's a motivational speaker, and he has no arms and I believe like no legs or something, and he still makes a killing. Like, he makes so much money. So what's your excuse now? Like, if he can do it and he's very known, then like you can do it as well. So you have what it takes, but you have to make it happen. Don't let life happen to you. Life will not happen to you. You make it happen. So if you're in, no matter what situation you are right now, that is your fault, but like, you can get out of it as well. Like, so many people that are very successful now were in a very bad situation before they started their business, because that's helped them out to get what they wanted. So many people, like, there was this guy that was homeless, he was a drug addict, he had so many things, and he said enough is enough, and now he's got this, like, the first Lamborghini boat and whatever, and he's very successful. And that's because he hated so much where he was at that he decided to change. And you can do exactly the same, and obviously it doesn't have to be as extreme as that, but if you don't like where you are, that's a very good way to change it. So the next thing is you want to remove negativity. You see, so many people around are very negative. You just have to get rid of these people in your life. Like, if people just complain and complain and complain and that's all they do around you, you just have to get away from these people, because that will not get you anywhere. I see so many people, like, you know the quote that says you're a representation of the three people you hang around with the most. And I've seen this happen over and over and over again, that these people, like, that happens. So obviously you don't have to be around like multi-billionaires or anything like that, but you have to like listen to podcasts with people that are very positive, watch YouTube videos about that, and all these things, and you just have to get into like a very good place. So I was talking about earlier, so I'm going to go back to that. Earlier I was talking about how you can get motivation from being in a bad place, and that's something that's called push motivation, because so many, like, there's this push motivation. So that's what I was talking about, where you just don't want to be where you were, or you don't want to be where you are. So that's really a big motivation to get somewhere. Or there's this pull motivation, where you want to get to somewhere else. That, like, you want this nice house, nice car, travel the world, or something like that. So these are the two different motivations that you can have to motivate yourself. So that's a very big way to get to where you want to be. So next, you want to have a plan, because you can have so much motivation. Yeah, you can have so many things that you want and be like, yeah, I'm going to crush it. But if you don't have a plan, it's not going to happen. So maybe your plan, if you're doing affiliate marketing like this, I would suggest your plan would be to be making videos every single day, for example. That is actually a plan. You want to know what you're going to promote. You want to know how you're going to promote it. And I do this in a ton of other videos, so I won't go into, like, this video is not about that. But if you want the specifics, you can go and watch my other videos, because I've got a ton of videos that do exactly that. So what you like to do as well is a very important one, because that is going to be very important for you to keep going, because so many people just stop before they end up anywhere, because they don't like what they do. And you have to really be obsessed as well, because if you're not obsessed with what you're doing, then, like, it won't work. Like, you have to be thinking about that, like, pretty much 24/7, because if you don't do that, it's going to be very hard for you to keep going. Next, you want to create some valuable content. So that's what I was talking about in the beginning, to how you have to be there. You don't want to hide. And that's really important. If you don't create content, whether it's on YouTube or a blog, and that's if you want to make passive income, if, like, you don't mind that it's not passive, you can do that on Facebook. That's very profitable as well. Instagram as well. There's a ton of different places, but I suggest YouTube and a blog, because it's searchable content and people can actually find your videos. So you really want to create some valuable content that your audience would like, about a subject that you like, because then people will just relate to you and come and see you. And by the way, it doesn't matter like what you look like or anything like that. You have a personality, and some things that you hate about yourself, some people will probably love it. So don't worry about that. Just try and put yourself out there, and your first videos will not get any views. Your first blog post won't get any views, but you just have to keep going. So then you want to find an affiliate program. So that can be Amazon if you want to sell some real products, like some tangible things. If you want to sell some software, there's a very good website called clickbank.com, and that's got like a ton of different things. So you can absolutely make some money on ClickBank. So you just have to sign up to that, and then you can promote some things. And I've made some videos on ClickBank before, so I won't go into detail about that. But once you do that, and you like put your links in the descriptions of your videos, create an email list, which is very important, and I won't go into that, but do create an email list, and you can use different softwares. I might put one in the description if I don't forget, but this is one of the things that you have to do. So I really hope you got some value in this video. make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I put a video out. Also check out, I've got a ton of other videos that give you exactly what to do to make some money online, so make sure you check these out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.